Welcome to Raw Views, where we review popular content by content creators, celebrities, and brands. So today we are going to review 3 advertisements by Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who is international former cricketer. I'm saying this with a very heavy heart. He might be retired from international cricket, but he has definitely not retired from our hearts and neither from his endorsement career for sure. So if you are a true Mahendra Singh Dhoni fan, consider subscribing to this channel, and if you have already subscribed, let's begin.
आओ अपनी जांघों पर हाथ रखकर कसम खाएं, आज उनके छक्के छुड़ा देंगे। हमका चाहिए बदला।
It's a friendly match, माही।
हम कोनों के माही वाही नाही। ये है हमरी तलवार और ये तोप का गोला। कौन
बोला?
तुम स्निकर्स खाओ।
काहे?
क्योंकि जब भूख लगती है ना, even Captain Cool loses his cool।
Captain Cool।
ठीक है।
हंगर अच्छे अच्छों को बदल देता है। स्निकर्स में है नट्स, चॉकलेट और कैरम।
So Snickers is doing what they do the best. They are trying to promote the concept of you are not you when you are hungry, and this is what generally entire chocolate companies do. They try to promote a different concept altogether. Let's say take an example of Kit Kat. They promote the concept of taking a break, but they later tell the crunchy part of the chocolate. The celebrations, the Cadbury entire celebrations concept is revolving around gifts and respecting family emotions. Everything around chocolate comes to the chocolate later, but first tries to derive an emotion. And this is one of the major learnings that you can take from Snickers ad, that they try to bring up a desire, or we say an urge, that if you are hungry, consider a Snicker. Let's get on to the next advertisement of Mahendra Singh Dhoni now.
मेरी वेडिंग फोटोग्राफी नहीं चल रही है।
लोग शादी नहीं कर रहे क्या प्रजापति?
हर गली में एक शादी फोटोग्राफर है। कंपटीशन बहुत बढ़ गया है भाई।
जूम लगा अपने दिमाग में, अब दिख रहा है?
Humor.
ओ डैडी,
पूरे इंडिया में शादी क्या सिर्फ तेरे ही शहर में हो रही है प्रजापति? GoDaddy पे बिजनेस ऑनलाइन चला पूरे।
So GoDaddy actually is trying to put Mahendra Singh Dhoni as business bhai, the guy you resort to for all your business problems, and it is trying to bring the concept that everybody goes to business bhai for a problem that they are facing in their business, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni tries to solve that problem by telling that GoDaddy, starting your business online via GoDaddy, is the actual solution that is being provided as a concept. And I think that is a very smart move. You are considering the ambassador, the endorser, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, to be the person telling the solution. A problem which is my business is not doing well. The solution, go to GoDaddy, and the mediator is the endorser of the brand. So very well, problem, solution, conveying the problem being solved via GoDaddy. You know, you always should encourage the concept of solving a problem, and GoDaddy has literally taken it very religiously, I would rather say. Let's get on to concept number 3. This is going to be a bit lengthy, and it is going to promote the concept of surrogate advertising. For those who do not know, you will know the concept of surrogate advertising. Please stay tuned till the end. McDowell number 1.
छोटू भैया, चीनी देखे छोटू भैया? कहाँ गया छोटू भैया? इधर ही तो था।
देखो तो नमक भी है, वहाँ पे नमक मत डाल देना। तेरे चक्कर में चित्तू यार इधर बहुत गड़बड़ हो रही है यार।
अरे तेरी बकवास चाय कौन पिएगा?
ओए माही आ गया।
और सब ठीक है?
सब बढ़िया।
हर चाय मैं बनाता हूँ, तेरी चाय
बहुत अच्छा
पिएगा
किया माही, तू
कौन?
आ गया। हमेशा
So the concept currently being promoted is of true childhood friendship, and it's maybe a wedding concept that is being promoted in this McDowell number 1 ad.
इसको कभी चाय पत्ती नहीं मिलती, कभी चीनी नहीं मिलती।
अब चीनी चाय कभी मिले ना मिले, असली यारी का ना वो मीठापन कभी नहीं होता। सच, असली यारी की एक मिठास ही अलग होती है।
अच्छा मुझे बात बता, अगला फंक्शन कितने बजे?
1 घंटे बाद।
ये मोटापा कब कम कर रहा है?
So they not only have considered Mahendra Singh Dhoni as a narrator of this concept, as the sole person in this concept. The concept also revolves around their friends, and they are telling the story that is actually depicted as friendship over here. So the perspective is not only on Mahendra Singh Dhoni, that's entirely on his childhood circle.
माही, चित्तू और मैं बिन कहे एक दूसरे की बात समझ लेते थे। सुख में दुख में बस 24 घंटे साथ घूमते थे। कई बार तो घर से गायब भी हो जाते थे। घर में फिर आके डांट भी खाते थे। और देखो जी,
इसमें आप देख लो अंकल क्या करते हैं।
अगर डिस्काउंट दूंगा तो मेरा सेठ मेरे को गोली मार देगा प्लीज। और नहीं अंकल, आप
So the problem is not only that they are actually having a meeting. There is no such problem being conveyed. It is living a flashback currently. Like whatever is happening in the situation, maybe that's a wedding scenario that is being depicted, but they are in middle living the past memories. So that's a very strong emotional concept being derived over here, and that is what you generally see in other advertisements that are related to liquor or alcohol concepts. So even that is something like they try to bring men will be men. That is another example of surrogate advertising, that it is not being surrounded anywhere related to alcohol. It is being related to maybe men, and in this concept it is related to friendship, true friendship that is from childhood. So yeah.
गोली नहीं मारेगा मेरी बात।
अच्छा एक बात बताइए, आपने सेल्फी का नाम सुना है?
सेल्फी? हाँ तो
आप 10% डिस्काउंट हमें दे दो और हमारे यार के साथ एक सेल्फी ले लो।
सेल्फी डिस्काउंट?
अरे हाँ, इसके यार के साथ सेल्फी।
अरे धोनी,
वो कहते हैं ना, टाइम फ्लाइज। असली यारी में टाइम थम सा जाता है। कल भी असली यार थे, आज भी असली यार। अच्छा याद है वो कॉलोनी वाला मैच जिसमें आउट किया था, उसमें आउट नहीं थे।
सुनो, पीटरसन को ऑलमोस्ट आउट किए थे।
ऑलमोस्ट कप्तान, ऑलमोस्ट
आउट होता है, ठीक है।
चलो अभी देखते हैं। चलो
चलो
चलो।
ये छोड़ो भैया।
Trying to bring concepts from actual happenings, like छोटी छोटी बातों पे arguments हो जाना कि उसमें तू गलत था, इसमें तू सही था, या something like that generally happens in friendship, and this does not look scripted to me at all. Scripted, it does not even have a glimpse of it. It actually looks like you and I, or maybe our parents talking at the age of 30s and 40s. Like when we'll be 40, we'll be talking like this only. So this gives an actual essence of that people are normally talking. It is not an advertisement.
छोटा और बड़ा होता था, छोटे से बड़ा विकेट हो जाएगा। चश्मा साफ कर लिया ना?
एकदम। अंकल दो बॉल है, अंकल दो बॉल।
रेडी है ना?
रेडी।
गलियों से गुजरी है, बरसों सबरी है, ऐसी वैसी दोस्ती नहीं।
कभी लगता है कितने साल गुजर गए, और कभी लगता है कि एक पल भी नहीं बीता। गजब है ये यारी हमारी।
माही, हमारे पुराने दिन अच्छे थे। साथ खेलना कूदना, साथ साथ मस्ती करना, मजा अब भी बहुत आता है जब मिलते हैं, लेकिन सब कुछ बदल गया।
कुछ नहीं बदला यार, और ना कभी बदलेगा।
जश्न है, रंग है, ये जहां संग है, यही पंख भी, उड़ान भी, अरमान भी।
So the surrogate advertising is a concept where you are not allowed to legally promote any sort of liquor or any drug related, maybe the smoke or tobacco related content officially and commercially. So you take another method. You will see companies promoting music CDs, soda, water, glasses like Carlsberg, or their non-alcoholic segment like Tuborg promoting Tuborg Green. So this is one of the concepts that generally takes place in surrogate advertising. It is a way to dodge but still advertise. So these were the 3 advertisements. I hope this video was insightful and resourceful. Please let me know down in the comments which video of yours or which ad of Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the one that you like the most. Maybe Gulf Oil could be the one that you prefer. So let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.